Welcome. In this video I will show you how to solve some common Bluetooth headaches on your HONOR X7d smartphone. So if you're having trouble connecting your HONOR X7d to Bluetooth devices like headphones or car stereos, first you have to ensure that your Bluetooth device is fully charged or at least partly charged and in pairing mode. Usually it's indicated by a blinking LED, like in case of this smartphone. So if you swipe down the control center and open the Bluetooth menu by holding your finger down on the Bluetooth icon and your device isn't showing up on the available devices list, then you have to first try to bring it closer, and you can restart both of your devices to refresh connections. So in order to restart your Bluetooth device, usually you have to hold down some button, like in my case this one. Usually they don't have many buttons, but if you're struggling with finding the right one, you have to check the manual in order to do things properly. Okay, and now that this Bluetooth device is restarted, now as for your phone, you just have to press and hold the power button and the volume up key at the same time, and then select restart option twice. And after that, wait until your smartphone is restarted. Now for the other kind of issue is the incorrect PIN issue. If your device requires a PIN, verify that you're entering the correct one. Oftenly the correct PIN code is either 4 zeros or 1234. But I recommend checking the device's manual for this kind of issue. Now if you still cannot connect or pair with your Bluetooth device, then you can try resetting the network settings. To do that, go to System and Update section in Settings, then select Reset option right here, and then select Reset Network Settings. By doing that, you will also have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network and by entering the password to it. It will also affect your mobile data, so if you had any changes in your mobile data settings, you're also gonna have to set them again. So when you're ready, select Reset Network Settings, then draw your pattern, then confirm. And after your network settings are reset, try reconnecting or repairing with your Bluetooth device by going to Bluetooth menu, re-enabling your Bluetooth here by switching the toggle to the right, and then check if your Bluetooth device finally appeared on the available devices list. Tap pair, and these steps should resolve most connection issues and get your device linked smoothly. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.